Everyone wants to grow their wealth. However, very few try to know how it can be done. Prosperotree.com brings you the basic knowledge required to understand the process of wealth creation. Today, we are bombarded with too much of information which confuses us. Let us help you simplify this. The starting point is to have a good idea about various asset classes available. There are predominantly 4 asset classes where one can invest. They are stock markets, fixed income securities, real estate, and gold. How can one participate in these asset classes? Investing in stock markets can be done in various ways. Active direct investing is one such method where investor himself decides which stocks to buy or sell. But this has not worked quite well for most investors. It may therefore be more logical to invest passively with the help of financial advisors who can help you for investing in stock markets. Fixed income category includes tax-free instruments like PPF and tax-free bonds, whereas other taxable instruments like debt mutual funds, bank FDs, debentures, corporate bonds, and liquid funds, among others. These instruments in current market conditions are offering a meager pre-tax interest of 6 to 8% only. Investors can buy real estate directly through purchase of land, residential property, or commercial property. There is also a possibility of taking exposure to real estate through real estate funds now. Though owned house may be a necessity, it cannot be considered an asset because it does not yield any financial returns. Also, some issues with real estate investments today are that it requires large capital and is not easy to sell. Currently, real estate investments are also unattractive because of limited scope of appreciation, lower rental yields, and very high government taxes while purchasing a property. Investing in gold can be done by directly buying gold or jewelry. It could also be done by buying interest-bearing gold bonds or gold ETFs that are more tax efficient. Considering a continuous social need in the form of jewelry and cultural love for the yellow metal, many people in India are habituated to buy gold periodically. However, ideally, we categorized the various asset classes available to an investor. Now let us understand why invest in stocks. If we see the journey of Indian stock markets for the last 36 years, between 1981 to now, it has increased more than 130 times, giving a compounded growth of around 14 to 15%. That is quite a return. Additionally, investing in stocks provides multiple benefits. It provides an opportunity to create long-term wealth. It offers easy entry and easy exit. Unlike real estate, one can invest in small amounts. And the biggest benefit comes from the fact that stock market gains are taxed at subsidized rate of 15% for the short-term gains, whereas zero tax for long-term gains and dividends. We saw there are advantages of investing in equities. However, there are risks as well. Risk cannot be completely avoided in stock markets. But because there is risk, there is a possibility of higher reward. Else, why would anyone be interested in a meager earning 6 to 8% fixed deposits? Here is where your risk appetite comes into play. Therefore, it is rightly said, investing in stock market is simple but not easy. And therefore, based on your risk appetite, you should allocate your wealth into multiple asset classes. If you can see temporary but painful period of losses, stock market can be very rewarding place for you, and therefore you can allocate higher amounts of your wealth to it. We invest in fixed income securities with a view of 3 to 10 years. We buy real estate and tend to never sell it. We keep putting money in insurance thinking they are investments when most of the times it doesn't even yield more than 6% and are loaded with high hidden costs. But the moment it comes to stocks, we are extremely impatient and require instant rewards. However, we should have larger time horizon for stock market as well. Returns in stock market are not linear, and therefore investments in stock market should be for long term. Historically, Indian stock markets have given outstanding returns. At the same time, an investor with a portfolio of good stocks has far outperformed the broader market index like Sensex or Nifty. This is where Prospero Tree research team can help you. Being passionate about research-based investing, we provide better stock selection, right diversification among 10 to 20 stocks, and continuous monitoring of these companies' business performance. On the similar lines, in the past few years, Prospero Tree has researched many stocks and recommended selected stocks that have yielded superior results. Here is the performance of some of our top winners. The detailed list can be accessed on our website prosperotree.com. In case if you would be interested to create wealth with the help of Prospero, please contact us. Thank you very much. You can also follow us on our Twitter handle @ProsperoTree.